Viewers, we have a big breaking news coming in. Viewers, these are the visuals of the BJP protests right outside the parliament. Now remember, this comes just after the Congress announced a nationwide protest against Home Minister Amit Shah over his statement on Ambedkar in the Constitution Day debate. The Congress asked Home Minister Amit Shah, Kharge asked Home Minister Amit Shah to put down his papers and resign over the comments. However, the BJP has alleged that the comments were clipped into a video to stir a fake narrative against Home Minister Amit Shah and his stand on B.R. Ambedkar. In fact, just yesterday, Home Minister Amit Shah also organized a press conference clearing his stance over B.R. Ambedkar. However,
जिस प्रकार कांग्रेस अपमान कर रही है, हम नहीं सहेंगे। वही कांग्रेस थी जिसने उनको चुनाव में हराया, वही कांग्रेस थी जिनने उनको सम्मानित करने का काम नहीं किया। अब वो कांग्रेस उनकी फोटो को लेकर, आप देखिए, वो कुर्सी पर बैठे हैं और बाबा साहब की फोटो उनके पैरों के नीचे रखी है। ये कांग्रेस क्या सम्मान करेगी बाबा साहब का? ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार, देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं जो बाबा साहब को सम्मान देने का काम कर रहे हैं।
पार्टी ने बाबा साहब को 2 बार हराया, उनका कोई सम्मान नहीं किया। 60 साल जब वो सरकार में थे, उन्होंने बाबा साहब का कोई सम्मान नहीं किया। आज वो तोड़ मरोड़ कर माननीय अमित शाह के स्टेटमेंट को दे रहे हैं, काम करने नहीं दे रहे, ना राज्यसभा चलाने दे रहे हैं, ना लोकसभा चलाने दे रहे हैं। एक ओछी राजनीति कर रहे हैं। उनको शर्म करनी चाहिए कि बाबा साहब के नाम पे वो राजनीति कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि अपने टाइम में उन्होंने उनका सम्मान बिल्कुल नहीं किया।
चोर बोल के चिल्लाए जैसा है कांग्रेस का राजनीति। अंबेडकर जी जब इलेक्शन में कंटेस्ट किया, 2 बार उसके खिलाफ में कैंडिडेट को रख के कांग्रेस और कम्युनिस्ट लोग जो अंबेडकर को हराया, उन लोग आज अंबेडकर का नाम से राजनीति करना चाह रहा है। ये नहीं चलेगा। जब भी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अंबेडकर को सम्मान नहीं दिया, वो पार्टी है जो अंबेडकर जी को सम्मान दिया, वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी है। हमारा पॉलिटिक्स में कभी भी हम लोग अंबेडकर का गिरावट नहीं किया। कांग्रेस अंबेडकर का नाम पे जो काम कर रहा, उसके खिलाफ आज हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी और एनडीए भागस्वामी सब लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहा है। थैंक यू।
We're also being joined by my colleague Riyanka to get us more on the story. Riyanka, tell us something about these protests. The escalation is rapid. The Congress had just announced today morning that they will hold an all-India protest against Home Minister Amit Shah and his resignation over comments on B.R. Ambedkar, and now the BJP has staged a protest doubling down its attack on the Congress party and also defending Home Minister Amit Shah's stance on B.R. Ambedkar. In fact, they're also uncovering the truths on how the Congress party did not give Ambedkar, Dr. Ambedkar, the credit that was due. Tell us more.
Absolutely, it is the BJP that is voicing its concerns, given the fact that it is the Congress party that has not given his due respect to B.R. Ambedkar. We have, in fact, played out all the reactions coming in from the side of the MPs who are protesting now at the Makar Dwar of the Parliament. These are the BJP MPs who are raising slogans and making it very, very clear that the BJP is a party that did not disrespect B.R. Ambedkar ever, and that it is the party under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi working to keep his legacy alive. In fact, the BJP has also put in a list of the work that has been done by the party in order to keep B.R. Ambedkar's legacy alive at several other areas, be it from setting up of his statues or other such things that have come into being. But on the other hand, the Congress already cornering the government regarding Home Minister Amit Shah's statement and also calling for his resignation. See, the momentum of this very situation, the controversy that has come out, once after Home Minister Amit Shah had made a very, very crucial statement that the Congress uses the name of the B.R. Ambedkar just as a daily fashion, that did not go well with the Congress. But remember, they spoke about an edited clip of 15 seconds that the Congress had used in order to spread a false narrative which did not go very well with the BJP. Home Minister Amit Shah himself issuing a clarification to all that the entire clip must be seen in order to understand the context of why he made that statement. And here the BJP, all the leaders, the MPs, they are all putting in enough support in order to corner the Congress party for their false narrative, for the confusion that they are trying to peddle in the minds of people. It is very clear that this is one of the main situations that is keeping the BJP and the Congress in loggerheads regarding this very important legacy and respect that has been given to B.R. Ambedkar. On the other hand, the Congress party wanting Home Minister Amit Shah to apologize to the people and also to tender his resignation. It is to be seen what happens next once the session begins at 11. It is very, very likely that there is going to be ruckus and disruption in the House today as well regarding this very scenario that has in fact built in a momentum.
Right, Priyanka, we will continue with the story. In fact, tell me a little more about this. Now that we're also eyeing at a parliamentary session which can again be frozen or adjourned over the ruckus which has been created by the opposition, what is the update on their protest scenario? They said that they will also protest against Home Minister Amit Shah and they will take the protest India-wide. What are the updates on that front?
See, as of now, it is the BJP who is conducting a protest at the Makardwar of the parliament premise. But the Congress has also announced that they will be holding a nationwide protest regarding the same. Well, we are yet to see the Congress leaders coming out and protesting at the parliament premises. But when it comes to their take in this very situation, the Congress continues to vouch for the fact that Home Minister Amit Shah made statements that led to disrespecting Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who has in fact worked for the constitution. Remember, this has come out only after, there was a very crucial debate in the parliament, first in Lok Sabha, then in Rajya Sabha, when Home Minister Amit Shah was making his concluding address in the Rajya Sabha, which did not go well with the Congress party because they misunderstood rather vouched on one 15-second clip to spread a false narrative and confusion. But yes, the Congress is also set to hold a protest, but very likely, as you mentioned, that in the parliament, once the session begins, there is going to be stalling, there is going to be disruption, because this is one of the major issues that is keeping the BJP and the Congress at a crucial face-off. So yes, once the parliament session begins in both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, just like yesterday, we may expect adjournments and disruption and chaos with both the BJP and the Congress coming into loggerheads together.
Right, Priyanka. Solid updates right there. We will continue tracking this story.